Let's learn the digraphs AI and AY. AI says A. A. Similarly, AY says A. A. Now we will learn to spell AI and AY words. AI comes at the beginning or middle of the word. For example, if we have to write aim. Now, the sound A is A and I together and is M. So, A is AIM. Similarly, P, A, So AI is coming in the middle of the word. P, A, P is P, A is AI, is M. So spelling of pain comes out to be PAIN. And AY comes at the end of the word. जब वर्ड खत्म होगा और हमें एक ही साउंड लगानी होगी तो हम AY से डिनोट करेंगे. फॉर इंस्टेंस, play. Now, A, play. तो एंडिंग में हम AI नहीं लगाएंगे, एंडिंग में हम AY लगाएंगे क्योंकि AY लास्ट में आता है, उसे पहले आने की परमिशन नहीं है. Similarly, clay. K-L-A-Y. Reading the words. Let's read the words. P, A, Yes, you are right. It comes out to be pain. A, L, male. R, A, rain. A, L, nail. D, A, day. P, A, pay. Pl, A, play. P, L, A, play. K, L, cl, A, clay. Do like this video and comment digraphs for more other videos on the digraphs, and do subscribe my channel if you find this video useful for your kids. Thank you.